Hello friends, welcome back to Epitaga's Dumbbox, and this is Akshay Daga. In this video, I will show you how you can invest into mutual fund direct plan. So we will use CAMS platform for doing that, and CAMS is one of the trusted organization or authority we can say which provides KYC in India. It is one of those five organization or authorities which have that kind of privilege or access. So before starting, I'll show you what is the requirement. You can pause this video and check all these are this is the prerequisite. You need all this information before starting this process, and make sure that your Aadhaar card and mobile number are permanent because changing it afterwards is tremendous tasks, and you need cancel check with your sign on it. So and all the other details like nominees and all those things, please be ready with that. This is how your cancel check looks like, but make sure your sign should be there. Otherwise, your payment will be cancelled and you will get refund after maybe 1 week or more than that. So and all other details like bank account number and IFSC code can be visible and should be visible on that cancel check. Okay, let's search it mycams and go here. You can see you can log in here, but this is my login ID. I have already created account. If you are first time investor, then click here, put your email ID and click on submit. Email id is the primary key here. Means all your folios get maintained using your email ID, and this is the list of 14 fund houses whose services you can use through mycams. So select the fund house in which you want to invest, then you have to put PAN number, then date of birth, then payment type should be online, and bank name. Here is the list of banks. You can pause and check that list. You can transfer your money or invest your money using these banks. This is the list. Then mode of holding and tax status. It will be single and residential. Only single option is means one option is available there. Then click on submit. Once you click on submit, then it will check for your case. When you click on next, it will check for your KYC status, and you can see right now the KYC status is not done or failed. Then you can go for eKYC using your Aadhaar. So you have to put your Aadhaar number and the mobile number which is registered with the Aadhaar, linked to the Aadhaar, and you have to click on verify. You will get the OTP on your mobile phone. You have to put that OTP here, and along with that you have to upload your signature on a white page. Okay, and submit. Then you have to put all the details required, like basic details required for your eKYC, and click on submit. Here also the OTP might be generated and it will be sent to you, and then you have to start do all the things once again, like your email ID, then fund house, then PAN card, date of birth, payment mode, bank, and all those things. And this time when you click on next button, you will see your KYC status should be yes. See, KYC compliance, yes. Now one OTP will be generated on your mobile. You have to put it here and click on verify. Once OTP is verified, you can see OTP validated. Click on continue. This, since it is first time, it is showing you your PAN details, and you can update the details in your KYC. So I'll click on update. Here I have to put basic details like date of birth, my PAN number, and I have to create click on generate OTP. Once again I will get the OTP. I have to put it here. I have to select my address. Same details, nothing else. All are same, those basic details. Once you close it, now you have to click on continue. Now you can add nominees here. You can add more than one nominee, and you can write amount of share, like 90% to first nominee and 10% to second nominee or whatever. After that, you need to choose the scheme in which you want to install. So click on that search button, then scheme type, then select growth or dividend, then type of mutual fund you want to invest in, then the mutual fund plan in which you want to install. There are always two options, direct and regular. I'll always prefer the direct because we are doing this for investing in direct plan. Then you have to select amount you want to install. Here minimum amount is 5,000, that is mandatory. So, and then click on next. Then here you need to put your bank details like account number, account type, IFSC code, MICR code, address, city, and country. But you can see most of the time this website gives some problem here. So you have to click on next and previous, next and previous, the blue button at the bottom of this page, and you have to select payment no more to net banking and then normal. Then it will show all the bank names. Otherwise sometimes it gives some problem because of when server is slow or something. Once you fill all this detail and click on next, it will show all your details whichever you have filled till now. Just verify it and make sure you should not put any wrong detail, and all these things you have to do for first time only. Then you have to select uh, click on choose file and select your cancel check with your sign on it. It is very mandatory, and then click on next. It will redirect you to your bank net banking page. Then you'll put your login ID, password, OTP, amount and everything, and click on pay. Once you click on pay, that specific amount which you have entered, that will be deducted from your bank account and transferred to MyCams. Okay, so once this procedure is done, now you can say you have invested in mutual fund direct plan, and this lengthy process is only for first time. If you want to invest more in the same plan or in same fund house, then you don't have to follow all those things. You can do it very easily. But if you want to invest in another fund house through MyCamps only, then you have to follow the similar complete procedure for first time. You can go, I have logged in using my credential, go to transact and invest new. So you have to select your fund house and you have to follow this procedure completely for first time. But you are investing in the same fund house for second time onwards, then you have to go to invest more. These are the fund house I have already invested in. Then select the folio, and you can just select the plan you want to invest in and just put amount. It will directly go to your net banking page and make payment, and that's it. You don't have to follow this tedious process all the time. You will get your login ID and password through mail. Once you log in, you can check your statements and transaction here in the web application. And along with the web application, there is one Android application which is available for MyCams, which is very good. I'll show you. See, this is the link, and you can see it has very good rating of 4.4, and it is very user friendly, guys. So that's it, guys. This is all from my end about investing into mutual fund direct plan using MyCams. Hope you like this video. Please click on thumbs up button. If you have any query, put it into comment box and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. This is Akshay Daga signing off.